Hi there all my parents, this is another lesson for the parents. I'm going to show you how we work with number lines and how they can work with it in normal sums as well as their story sums or problem solving. They are going to need their new books with their lines, and then they're going to need the number line sums that will be sent home on the homework sheet. I've included this to show you that you can get the number lines from Sparklebox and it's for free. You can just type in Sparklebox and you can download it for free. So that's why I can also put it in the slideshow without worrying about copyright or anything, because it's totally for free. You don't have to pay for it. And there are loads of other things as well. If you type in Sparklebox, you will see that it will come up. Lots of nice resources over there. It's just, the only thing is just that it might not be the correct letter formation, or it might not be the correct number formation that we use, but it's very nice resources. Right, here we are. You are going to let the children use a number line, and we are letting them use a number line from 0 to 20. Always please make sure that when you download a number line for them, make sure that it starts at 0 and not at 1. We want our children to get used to the fact that the number line starts at 0. Then I normally tell them a little story about a frog when it's Gus Plus. When the sum is going to use Gus Plus, then we are going to talk about the froggy that hops. And I normally tell them the story about the frog. And the frog has a lot of energy and the frog had lots of flies to eat, so it can hop very far. But the frog only has enough energy to hop the first hop very, very far. After that, he's got to hop one number at a time. So the first hop that he hops, he can skip lots of numbers, but then he needs to rest. And after that, he only hops one number at a time, and that is for Gus Plus. So here I have an example. If we look at the first blue bar at the top, I've got my first story sum or problem solving. Snake has 5 sweets and B has 2 sweets. How many do they have all together? So they are going to start with on their number line, and they're going to use their pencil or their crayon to show us. They stand on 0, as I have done it with the arrow over there. They stand on 0 and the frog is going to jump. His first jump is always a big jump. So he never jumps one number at a time when he starts off. His first jump is always a big jump. So he's going to jump all the way from 0 to 5. And then B has another 2 sweets. From the 5, he's going to jump one jump and then another jump. That's very important, to let them jump one number at a time after the frog jumped his big jump. And then after that, they're going to write their number sentence, which will be 5 plus 2, equals 7. Right, that is for plus. All the sums with Gus Plus will use the froggy. The froggy always jumps forward, he never ever goes backwards, so he does not minus at all. He's forever jumping forward and forward and forward. When it comes to Linus Minus, we have our monkey. And we have a monkey because the monkey can swing backwards. The froggy cannot swing. That's why the froggy is for Gus Plus. But the monkey is for Linus Minus. So if we look at our next one, there are 9 frogs in the pond and 2 jump away. So now the monkey's going to do the same as the frog. He's going to give one huge jump right from the 0 to the 9, always a big one in the beginning. His first one, just like the froggy, but now the monkey goes backwards because he can swing on the number line without falling off. So now he will stand on the 9, and 2 frogs jumped away in the story sum, so he's going to swing back 1 and swing back another 1, and then he lands on 7. And then they are going to write their sum for me, which will be 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Please make sure that they do understand that when it's minus, they are going to use the monkey. And when it is goes plus, they are going to use the frog. And that's it with a number line. You can download number lines for them. And as I said, it's for free on Sparklebox. Just make sure that it starts at 0. But most of Sparklebox's things will start at 0, so it will be correct. Thank you. Bye.